Way to go, coughing in my tutorial.
Oh, you muted it.
What?
Oh, you muted it.
No, I didn't mute it. I'm gonna cut the audio out after I make the video. I'm just not talking because there's no point. It doesn't bother me. We're gonna mute it anyway.
And I think I'm going to just link it to the YouTube. Because everything's YouTube compatible, even iPhone.
Link what to YouTube?
The links for the videos. Instead of embedding them right into code. Because then we're using our bandwidth on our server. So we can just use YouTube bandwidth.
The embedding thing just is a JavaScript. It just pops it up in the window. It still uses YouTube.
Yeah, I mean embedding YouTube video. Not. I thought you meant putting it on a server and actually having the video.
No, I meant when you upload the video to YouTube.
Yeah, you can embed it. That's what I plan on doing.
That's what I told you.
I just want to use YouTube to do the bandwidth instead of ours. This program I have is awesome. So when you want to do this with me, I'm gonna have you do the mobile one.
Mobile what?
The mobile version tutorial. Because I'm doing the regular one. When you click record, it lets you select what part of the screen you want to record. So you can just select certain portions instead of having to show the whole screen.
You know what I'm doing? I'm turning this into a CPU and GPU tutorial at the same time. I'm just going to split them. So taking the graphics processor out with it. Where's my freaking screwdriver? I'm having technical difficulties.
Why?
Because I can't find the screwdriver. I just had it.
No, this is a screwdriver.
Why would I use that to take my laptop? I'm talking about the one I was just had in my hand.
Yeah, but now you're messing with my
is, so this is ridiculous. How it happened. Oh, it's right here.
Ugh.